Hey, today I am trying to do a look with the Blowin Smoke palette that I've wanted forever and finally got. Right now I have a lipstick on that is part of my project Pan. It's downstairs, but I'll list it below. I used this, and this. All products are going to be listed below. I'm going to try not to talk while I'm doing this, but let's see what happens. Concealer is really pooling at the crease. It usually doesn't do that. You can see it here. I'm not sure why it's doing that, but I'm gonna try to blend it out. that for a second because I'm getting frustrated with it. Okay, normally this is where I would stop. It's not my best smoky eye ever, but I'm learning those colors on this palette. I mean, they're gorgeous, but I'm learning how to use them together. Normally I would have put a bright red lip with this. It looks red now, but part of the reason I don't like this lipstick is because I can't tell what color it is. Is it coral? Is it like dark pink? Is it red? It looks red right now and that's what I need, so that's fine. Normally I'd stop here, but I wanted to try something I saw on a YouTube channel a bunch of times. So I'm gonna try to contour my lip by putting some black in the outer corners of it. I don't know if I showed this yet. Black green. I'm gonna use a brush for this. I want it to blend. I guess I'll just blend it better once I have it all on. I don't know how to blend it. What kind of brush do I use for that? I'm gonna use this, I guess. I probably should have waited a little longer for it to dry. My teeth look so yellow. I gotta find out what colors make them look brighter. Alright. I like that lip. Very vampy. I'm gonna leave it. I like this. Let's spray it down. And I've been here for a while. I'm gonna take some pictures like this, and then later if I add more, I'll film that too. So thanks for watching, if this is the end, and see you soon. I messed that up. Oh, shit. Oh, I hope I don't. What is going on? Trust the process. I'll fix it later. Holy crap. Take some pictures like this, and if I like it,